A 1 mm worm with just 302 neurons inspired an AI architecture that steered a self-driving car using only 19 neurons. While ChatGPT needs 175 billion parameters. I analyzed over 30 sources, including the original MIT research paper, Quanta Magazine, and TechCrunch, and statements directly from the researchers who invented this technology to explain exactly how liquid neural networks work, why AMD just bet $250 million on them, and whether they could replace transformers as the future of AI. No sponsors, no affiliations, just the research synthesized for you. Let's get into it. Here's the dirty secret of modern AI. Models like GPT-3 have 175 billion parameters. They require enormous data centers and millions of dollars in electricity. And after all that training, their internal weights are frozen. They cannot adapt to new situations without expensive retraining from scratch. It's like building a calculator so complex it fills an entire warehouse, but it can still only solve the exact problems it was programmed for. The moment something unexpected happens, a new road condition, a sensor glitch, these frozen networks struggle. For robots and drones, this is a serious problem. The industry's answer has been, make it bigger. But a team of MIT researchers asked, what if we made AI smarter instead of just bigger? Meet C. elegans, a transparent roundworm about 1 millimeter long. It's the only organism on Earth whose entire brain wiring has been completely mapped. 302 neurons and over 31,000 connections. We know every single synapse in this creature's nervous system, yet it navigates complex environments and finds food. Its neurons don't work like simple on-off switches. They release continuous signals and pass information both forward and backward simultaneously. MIT researchers didn't copy the worm neuron by neuron. As Ramin Hassani explained, they were inspired by physics and nature to bring value to artificial neural networks. Traditional AI equals ice, frozen and rigid. Liquid neural networks equal water. They adapt to whatever container you pour them into. The breakthrough is in the middle layer. Each neuron is governed by a differential equation, math that describes how things change continuously over time. This is called a liquid time constant. The network adjusts how quickly its neurons respond depending on what's happening right now, not just what it learned during training. Traditional networks give snapshots at fixed intervals. Liquid networks can describe what's happening at any point in time. They process time as a continuous flow. Now for the stats. A liquid neural network with just 19 neurons successfully steered a self-driving car, a task that typically requires over 100,000 neurons. MIT tested drones navigating toward a red chair in new environments. Traditional AI got confused by changing backgrounds, but the liquid network learned to focus on the actual target. On specialized hardware like Intel's Loihi 2, liquid networks achieved over 100 times the energy efficiency of CPUs. A 19-neuron model draws less than 50 milliwatts. Hassani calls this physical AI, truly independent devices that interact with the real world without needing a constant cloud connection. But I need to be honest about limitations. First, they currently only excel at time series and sequential data. They won't replace ChatGPT for text generation anytime soon. Second, the training phase can be slower because solving these differential equations is computationally expensive. The gains show up when the network is actually running. Third, the ecosystem is still young. Transformers dominate because of years of optimization. Liquid networks were only introduced in 2020, but the industry is taking it seriously. AMD just led a $250 million investment, valuing liquid AI at over $2 billion. This represents a genuine paradigm shift. Nature figured out efficiency millions of years ago with that tiny worm brain. It just took us until 2020 to start listening. 19 neurons drove a car. If this research was useful, subscribe, drop a comment. Would you trust a 19-neuron AI to drive your car? I'll see you in the next one.